This is David with Barely a Farm. My strength is gone. Almost 50 years old. Makes sense. They say that stuff degrades and you lose it. This refrigerator has been a bane of my existence for approximately 24 hours. Had a buddy of mine call and say, hey, this is on the side of the road, so-and-so. I said, great, I'll go get it. So I made a special trip for this. Samsung, you know, top quality. Good copper brass parts, by the way. So I made a trip into town to get this last night, and I did not have enough manpower to get that bad boy loaded. I've been fighting with it here on the side of the road today. I drove by this, you know, it's shoot, I think 1 o'clock now, 2 o'clock. Drove by, it was still sitting here. But it's funny, there's scrape marks. Somebody else tried to get it and load it, but they were unable to. Well, as I'm sitting here contemplating life, just saying, God, help me with this refrigerator. I should be able to get this bad boy loaded. The owner of the house pulled in. Super nice gentleman. He is actually a local preacher. Had a nice, good talk with him, and I felt kind of bad asking him for help. You know, he's a little bit on the older side. He said, nope, don't worry about it. He said, just had the hips done. He said, we are good to go. And he, in his suit, helped me he-ho this monstrosity in the back of the truck. So let's get home and maybe unload it, maybe leave it back here, possibly process it. I don't know. I'm tired, and I need to contemplate life and strength for a second. All right, let me get out of this no parking zone I'm parked in. Man, the refrigerator that killed me. Now I went ahead and backed this bad boy straight up to the trailer. I just don't have it in me to fight it anymore. As dirty as this is, I wonder if all this refrigerator needed was a good cleaning. I don't know, but I have beat it up. Getting it in here. This thing smells burnt. Some sort of regulator, I would assume. Okay, guys, slide it out. I mean, the thing doesn't even want to slide. Great. Water in the crock. Water in the crock. Now, it's interesting, you see some of these other scrappers cut the ends and stuff off the cords. My scrapyard doesn't care. Number two, you leave the ends on. So, you know, ends like this, I don't have to mess with taking off, which is nice. Some brass. This circuit board in here is why appliances suck today. $47,000 sensors. Now, to me, I don't think it's worth trying to tear the doors and stuff apart. Handles are actually stainless on this. If it takes a magnet, they just count it as shred. I'm gonna go get an Allen wrench. Well, I got you here. I might as well do this washing machine in here too. Now this is interesting. The motor and stuff's all on the bottom of this. And then I checked the coil, and this is indeed copper. So no copper in the washing machine, but I did get those few pieces of brass, some stainless steel, some number 2 wire. I may start stripping down some of these boards, just keep them in a pile and see if I can get those copper heat sinks off with very little work. I don't know how much it'll actually be, but it's worth playing around with. You know, it's funny, I was complaining last night about how heavy this refrigerator was. I mean, it is a beast. I couldn't get it, so kind of glad to have it home. Makes me feel like a win. Anyways, I'm gonna get this stuff picked up. Like I say, that stainless is magnetic, so it counts as shred. I'm gonna throw it in here, and I think I'm gonna use this trailer for the appliances. So we'll see. As usual, you guys be good and be safe, and we'll see you next time.